Cannot be used as a skateboard. Let's do this.
Y'all think we can't skate this?
So, we're doing what we can with what we got. Yes, sir!
Whoa! You can't break that!
Cool!
Venmo right
down.
here, first try.
Ah! Give me more time!
Hello everyone, my name is Gabe Cruz. I've been here with Braille skateboarding for nearly 7 years of my life. And if there is one thing that you do not want to do to anyone here at Braille Skateboarding, it is tell us that we cannot turn something into a skateboard. And number two would be that we couldn't break something. But the number one thing, don't tell us we can't skate something, because we probably can. So we got a text from Doug Desautel's company called NZXT, tweeted, warning, the H210 cannot be used as a skateboard. And this is in light of the recent Apple Wheels skateboard, but we've been doing this for years, all right? We are considered skateboard experts for everything that is not actually a skateboard. So I don't know if this was some kind of ploy to take a shot at us, or if it was some strategic method of getting us to buy their product. Either way, it completely worked, and we bought it. So this right here is the NZXT H210 Mini ITX PC case, and we bought it. We're gonna open it up, we're gonna turn it into a skateboard, and we're gonna show you that indeed this right here and anything in the entire world can be turned into a skateboard. Let's do this. Usually we just do this for fun. Today it's personal, and it is tempered glass. All right, so this right here is what we are turning into a skateboard today. Me, I am not an expert on anything PC. I wish Aussie Dan were here. I don't even know if it's standing up the right way. I think it is. But now we just gotta figure out a way to secure trucks on there. Look at this. This is what they said we wouldn't be able to skate.
Y'all think we can't skate this? Oh, we skating this! Get it ready, baby!
I think first things first, we gotta take the back off, or the side. Gotta take this off, because then you can put the trucks on this part, and you can skate it on the glass part, or you can screw in underneath here.
I think we don't want to stand on the glass.
No, I think we stand up here, so we
Yeah.
put the trucks here on this bottom part.
Yep.
Bro, this is easy money. This isn't even a challenge. They could have at least made it difficult for us.
I wish they would have explained why. They just said you can't.
Yeah, they literally tweeted this cannot be used, and I replied and I said bet.
Did they reply back or
They
like?
didn't reply back. I think they were too afraid to, because they saw what was on my
Did they tag
profile.
you?
They just posted it out of nowhere.
They just wanted publicity.
I mean, success on their part. I think the first thing first, let's flip it over, and then we gotta see where the trucks lay best. Ooh, can this be taken up? No. This isn't gonna break, right? No, that's solid. I think it's better that it's on there, I think. Oh yeah, that is solid. First, you gotta lay out where the trucks are gonna go. You want there to be enough for you to pop, so you can have this one like closer to the nose, and then this one a little farther up. And make sure they're lined up. Cool. Now, you can drill the holes. Dude, it's almost like the axle is like perfect size. Gotta put some force in there, Mo.
I feel like this is gonna break.
It's been through a lot. All right, hold on. Yep. We good now. We got truck number one in there.
Just
All
to make
fours?
Sure. Yeah.
That is perfect right there, my brother.
What about this one?
Ooh, we might only have a few tries on this, dude. We gotta make every try count. I'm gonna not do this one. I'm just gonna put the third one in there right there. Just do one at a time, you know.
If it breaks on this side, we could just flip it over, take off the trucks, and put it on the other one.
Yeah. Oh, this is absolutely solid. All right, shall we give it a try? Said we can't skate it. Go ahead, just slide up in there.
Did they just release this?
I have no idea. Now, if we had washers, we would definitely use washers, but we don't have washers, so we're doing what we can with what we got. All right, we got that one in there. Did Dan grab the hammer? Oh, that's the safest thing I've ever seen. Sounded good, right? Yeah, baby! There's one. There's two, baby. We're just the best at what we do.
We're about to show.
About to show them. You're about to show them. Look at that. You know we take it seriously when we use 4 bolts. That's how you know it's getting real. We happen to use the longest hardware in the history of all hardware, but it's okay. Doesn't need to be perfect. Whose genius idea was it to use long hardware? That's just working out great. Come on now. So we're gonna change our approach here. What we're gonna do is use the hardware from the top so we can use the drill screwing from the top, the nuts in on the bottom. So let's go ahead and get these back in there again as they were before. Perfect, amazing. Come on, get in there. There we go. All right, there we go. Tighten the bolts from the bottom.
These gloves make you look like you're a doctor.
I am a doctor. Oh, almost there. I feel like I'm performing freaking surgery right now.
That's what it looks like.
Okay, oh, that one is nice and easy. Hey, Uzi, can you get me a regular Phillips drill bit? That right there is how we do it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's work on this other one. That is what I'm talking about. All right, Dan, you think this can be skated?
I think it's gonna break within 2 minutes.
But can it be skated?
Yeah.
Perfect answer. Yes, sir! Wow, that is solid. It's a little crooked, but it's okay. You don't want to go too tight on that one because you don't want to break through the thing. That, my friend, is how you build a skateboard. Should we grip it?
Do you want to grip it?
Yes, I do.
All right.
That is right! Let's go! You know what I didn't think? These they're gonna wheel bite so bad.
Yeah, I just looked at that.
Oh, I didn't even think of that. Yeah, we'll just tighten the trucks. Hey, come on now. This is the sickest thing ever. Come on. This is amazing. You ever gripped a PC case before?
No, I haven't.
I have not either. I'll do half of it and then I'll let you do the other half. There is something so aesthetically pleasing about this. Oh my God, dude. You gotta get a feel of that, bro. Is that not the greatest thing you've ever felt?
It is smooth.
That is what I'm talking about. That is amazing. There you go, sand it down. That's amazing. Go show our friends. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's a sick shot too. Nigel, check this out. They said it couldn't be done. Look at this, look at the top.
Oh, that's a nice grip job.
Oh, that's sick.
Do they not know who we are? We gotta break the glass before we send anything. Well, they said it could not be skateboarded. We built it, now we gotta test it. All right, who's got first crack at it?
I do.
Oh, all right, let's go.
We could have.
So this right here is the H210. I want to call one thing to your attention. This is actual glass right here
Ah.
on the bottom, automatic wheel bite. So be careful.
Wow.
Oh, you going straight for it. Oh, he going straight.
Oh,
He going straight for it. Oh
I had to stand on top. This is a big guy though.
Stand on top and it was going
no. But it was
backward.
rolling baby. Do you guys want to go?
Skated.
Do you want to go with the small one first? Or are you sending it?
It can't be skated, they say.
Don't
This
you?
can't be skated, huh? Well, what do you call this? It might not be able to be skated. Hold on.
Let's go, big boy.
Oh my gosh! So much wheel bite.
Oh!
We need risers.
We need to cut this
Oh,
out.
it's this.
Yeah.
We need to cut this out.
Oh.
We need to cut that
Then
out.
we can hammer him out. Hey, if we roll down a bank, it's a skateboard.
Yep, there's an indention right there. Ingenuity, you gotta know how to do it. We are ready to do what they said we cannot do! And not skateboard this!
It looks like it works a lot better though.
It does.
I did tighten the trucks a lot though too. The glass hasn't broken yet is also impressive.
They said it couldn't be done. That's so funny to me. You can't challenge us.
Oh! Oh! Yes! It can be done! Yes!
Oh, yeah. You can skate it. You can skate it. Matter of fact, you might be able to shove it.
Oh! Dude, that's possible. Oh! So close.
Keep that one.
How did you stay on that?
It's surprisingly very easy to like sit almost in a manual on this thing.
Whoa! H210.
NZXT.
Man, you took that hard drive, made it look easy.
I guess you could say that.
How did you land that? were like diagonal on that.
Circus tricks. And we're good.
Let's go.
I'm gonna flip
I think we should see Glow go down the big bank.
Ah.
Oh, monster flip?
Yeah.
Dude,
It's
it could
not
be
this
done.
way. Oh, that's hard. Never mind. It's, yeah. Let's move on.
I say Glow down the big bank.
Help me move that box to this box, roll on 50-50.
Nollie? Nollie shove?
See it?
Yeah.
You see the...
Oh yeah. Oh, you gotta do that.
Look, fellas, this is a nollie shove it on a PC. You.
Ooh! Nollie shove.
Oh!
Comes the Nollie laser.
I gotta get
Wow.
Did I make it?
Yeah, you did. You did. Wow. Oh! Yo, can someone please drop in on it?
1, 2, 3.
Oh!
This is the kind of scenario where we need a trebuchet.
Why is that?
Because then at the end we can just load it up. Whoosh, and it'll
Oh! Let's go! Yeah! Yeah! Bro, that was good.
All right. Are you gonna try it?
yeah.
Yes!
That was amazing.
That was so incredible.
Wait, what happened? Oh, dang. Those quarantine pounds. All Mowgli's been doing is eating marshmallows every day. Oh. Oh! Oh, look at that. That's toasted.
Whoa, it's a door.
Hey, now we don't have to worry about broken glass, huh?
You're not worried about what? Would you be mad if I dropped this?
Not if you did it over there.
What if I did it right here?
How can a skateboard break it? Just running it into it.
Oh, let's go outside.
Why not inside? I was gonna sweep. You know what I really wanted to do was just drop it to be a jerk to see what you would do, on the hopes that it broke. Because I like to crush your soul sometimes.
Oh, dang. Wow.
It's like... You can't break that! It's like plastic!
What is this made of?
It's tempered!
It did a wally.
It did everything but break. Try it again. Alright, so new video. Let's see how long it takes for us to break this tempered glass. You wanna just prop it up on stuff and skate?
Dude, that's crazy. You could wally.
Dude, you should land the wally to fakie.
Yep. Oh man, that's why. We didn't take the protective film off.
Does that
Now
make,
it's gonna break.
Really?
does that make a
No.
difference?
No, not at all.
I'm going to
10
break
bucks
it.
if you break it
I'm
first
going to
try.
break it first.
Are you
First
sure? Are you
try.
sure about that?
I'll give you 10 bucks. Venmo.
All right, we got a little bet
Venmo
going
right
down.
here. First try. If you break it first try, Venmo.
You better
I'll be
Hey, air shake on that. Rona hours.
I'm gonna just tell you right now, Glow. What you think is about to happen is not what's gonna happen.
Don't forget the battle cry.
Ah! Give me more 10!
Come on!
This right here, I think this was the real deal.
No,
I think I really.
That's the real MVP.
This was the thing holding the glass together. What?
There's no way.
Dude, feel
There's
it.
no way.
Feel it. Feel it.
NZXT, we proved it could be skated. So now you gotta send us a brand new one to set up a PC. I think that's only fair. There's some videos right there. Go and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and follow us all on Instagram. GabeCrew01, Uzi Walker, Niggle Jones, Glow Border, and Jungle Book. We'll see you guys tomorrow.